Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about the past simple tense, what is past simple tense and how we will use the past simple tense. So let's begin our topic. Let's start the past simple tense. The past simple tense. What is past simple tense? The definition is those actions which are started in past and completed in past. That is called past simple tense. Those actions which are started in past and completed in past, that is called past simple tense. मतलब वो काम जो माजी में हम स्टार्ट कर चुके हो और माजी में ही ख़त्म कर चुके हो उससे पास्ट सिंपल टेंस कहते हैं. मतलब वो काम जो पहले हम कर चुके हो और पहले स्टार्ट कर चुके हो और पहले ही ख़त्म कर चुके हो उससे पास्ट सिंपल टेंस कहते हैं. उसके बाद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब आता है हमारे पास. उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब, आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल कम. व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब? Did is the helping verb of past simple tense. Did mean the helping verb mean which helps the sentence, which helps the sentence. Mean did is now helping the sentence. How? Like I will tell you, the positive formula is there. What is positive formula? Subject plus second form verb plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus subject plus second form verb plus object plus full stop. Now in positive example of past simple tense, we will use the second form verb. We will use the second form verb, and after that object is there. We cannot use helping verb in positive example of past simple tense. Now it is the formula, and then come to the words example. Now what is the positive example? She cooked food. She cooked food. Full stop. She cooked food. Full stop. Now she is our subject, cooked is our second form verb. After that the object is there, then full stop. Object is there, then full stop. Now this is the positive example and positive formula and positive example. She cooked food. Subject plus second form verb plus object, here the same, subject plus second form verb plus object plus full stop. Then the negative formula is there. What is the negative formula? Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form verb with plus first form verb plus object plus full stop. Plus object plus full stop. Here the negative formula is there, then negative example is there. She did not cook food. She did not cook food. Now here second form verb we are using, here first form verb we are using. What is the difference? This is the difference. Why we are not using second form verb in negative formula? Because the did is already a second form verb. The did is already a second form verb. That's why we are not using second form verb, another second form verb in negative example. Just one second form verb we are using in one sentence. After that the interrogative formula is there. What is the interrogative formula? Here is the interrogative example and interrogative formula. After the interrogative formula, helping verb will come at the first in interrogative formula. Then subject will come. After that, first form verb will come. Then object will come. Then question mark will come. Question mark is very necessary thing in interrogative formula or interrogative example. This is the question mark. I will write here question mark. So this was the formula, and what is the example of this? How will write? Did she cook food? Question mark. Did she cook food? Question mark. Here I gave some arrows to the it's same thing. Now the helping verb will come. It's an arrow of helping verb. It's coming. Then subject is coming. I gave the arrow of subject because this is the subject. This is the helping verb. And then first form verb is our cook is our first form verb. After that object is there. Food is our object. Then question mark is our question mark. So this is the past simple tense. If you people have any question regarding this topic, regarding past simple tense, so I am ready to answer you. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.